my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're staying crafty and healthy as well. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Karina. I love to paper craft and also to organize my crafty supplies. So if you are interested in watching this type of videos, just keep on watching and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for your support. And in today's video, I have a reveal. Yes, I participated in the Crafty Love Kit swap hosted by Roxy. Hello, it's me, Roxy, in Instagram and YouTube. And guess what? I received the packages. So I am just gonna go ahead and open them up and show you what I received. These swaps from these talented ladies. And let's go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch what I got. Okay, my crafty friends, I am here with the swaps. I participated in a swap hosted by Roxy. Hello, it's me, Roxy, in Instagram and YouTube, and I got my packages, so I'm so excited. I remember watching videos from Roxy, and everything is just like so gorgeous. A group of talented crafters. So let's go ahead and open the first one, the pink 8. I just love the way she crafts. She does scrapbooking, mixed media, I mean, you name it. She's so talented. And look at this gorgeousness. Oh, isn't this lovely? It's so pretty. Oh, look at that. Okay, so, and then look at the packaging. It's so gorgeous, and I love the way she layered their sequin mix and these flowers and this lady with a doily. Oh, it is so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So, and look at the spine, so gorgeous. And I'm gonna open this up and look at this. I'm going to probably move these ones around so you guys can see better, and I'm going to come in closer and look at this. How gorgeous. Look at all the layering and the way she used this trim. Never thought about using the trim in that way. So gorgeous. It's together, and I believe this is her. Oh, how pretty. It's a banner. Oh, how gorgeous. I'm telling you, if you don't follow her or have not seen her Instagram handle, you better go and check her out. I'm gonna leave her link to her handles, social media handles, in the description box below. But look at this. How stinking gorgeous. Look at that, the combination of textures. I love that she stitched things, and I love it. I just love it. So look at this gorgeous pocket, and I'm thinking like, I can make a junk journal out of this, you know, like do signatures and use them. And then here is the kit, and let's take a look at this again. Isn't this lovely? Look at all the die cuts, a lot of details, a lot of love in this thing. And I'm thinking I'm going to repurpose this, make it into a junk journal where I can put probably a skinny signature here, right? And then here will be hosting my ephemera, things like that. So hey, or if I'm not doing a junk journal out of this, I'm definitely going to be on display in my calyx bookcase. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the Crafty Love Kit. So this is the container, Sugar Chic. I love all the colors and all the rhinestones, and look at this, so cute. Big card here, or can do like this. Super cute. And then I got here some of these gorgeous kind of like journaling cards. Okay, now I came back with more light. It's so I'm filming at night, so this is what was in this cute little container. And look at all these beads. They are like so cute. And look at these tiny little key. How gorgeous. And the hearts. I believe this is a dangle. So let's keep looking now. I got these pretty hearts and flowers. And this is her trim. How stinking cute. It's a spool with a kind of like beads and a tassel, and I love this ribbon. I think she just like combined or sewed two ribbons. How original. And then these are more of her. Oh, these are all the oops, the other beads, and I love this bead. How cute. This is stay gold, and these are all the other like connectors and, you know, all the hardware to put together the dangle. And this is Marissa, the pink ape. And now this one, I believe this is from yep, Cristina, XO Creative Cristina. So I love this milk carton, and how, oh, look at this bunny. How cute. So I open this up, and let me see what we got here. My goodness. Oh my goodness, look at that. I have beads now. You know, I don't have that many beads, so this is a great swap, because that's how you know, increase your stash, in other words. And look at these. Oh my goodness, the unicorn. And I love this yarn, and this is her trim, super cute. And then her button card. I love this bunny. Oh, and the flowers. And I love how she almost looks like an ornament, right? So pretty. And then I believe this is her store gift. And these are, oh, it's a gel pastel. How nice. Thank you. And then here we go. Oh my goodness, I have never seen something like this before. You know, I don't have a Daiso. I don't have the 99-cent stores or whatever, you know, people have in all those big states like California, New York, or Texas. But I just love the container, and look at all these humongous beads, and I love the colors. Oh my goodness, they look like bubble gum, right? Look at these transparent ones, so cute. Oh, I have never seen something like this before. Look at that. These are really cute beads. And then, oh, look at these cute hearts. And then look at the charms. And I'm gonna put the charms here so we can see things way much better. And then I'm gonna come closer instead of me holding. I'm gonna zoom in again. So these are the hearts. I love this other heart. Super duper cute. My goodness, it's like charm galore. Oh, look at this watermelon, the chair, a heart, a rainbow. Oh, and this bear, like a gummy bear, super cute. And then these other beads. And here's the hardware Super, super cute. So this is from Cristina. And the last one, Casely Creations. I'm going to zoom out again. Already. Oh, I love this yarn. Ooh, super, super cute. And of course, I'm not going to destroy it. I love it. And she is Casely Creations, K Kearney, and that's her name. And of course, I'm going to leave, you know, all the handles of these crafty ladies in the description box below, so go ahead and check them out. They're super talented. Even if you are new into crafting or a seasoned crafter, you're gonna love their creations. They're just very talented. And I love this tissue paper, and oh my goodness, look at this. Okay, it's like shabby chic. How gorgeous. So I'm going to, of course, open this up here. So let's just take a moment and appreciate these. Look at the lace and the flowers and the appliques. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So, and this came jam-packed with a pen. Ooh, nice. Some goodies, buttons. Oh, she must live by a dice. So, oh, I envy her. Oh, I love it. Thank you. Okay, and oh, stamps. Lovely. And let's take a look. This is like a belly band. Oh, I love this belly band. Oh, look at this. The lace. Oh, I love lace. And there we go. Here is her button card. How adorable. Look at this. Adorable. And ice cream. Love it. Super, you know, unusual buttons. And then here is the kit. Her beads. And I'm like, if I open this up, and I love the butterfly, but look at all the beads here. And definitely I'm going to open this. So here is the trims. Oh, she sent tons of trims. Wow, look at that. Very generous. Thank you. Wow, look at this. How cute. And then this other tiny little one, and the baby one. How cute. Now let's take a look at more trims. Oh, it smells so good. This is gift, store gift lip balm. And here is the tassel, and I believe we're supposed to be making the tassel, right? But I love this, her sample, super cute. And then I love these packaging, and I love this Barrett. And oh, look at this topper, I can reuse it. Yes. And this cute little, where is my heart? Oh, the heart is here. Let's take a look. Put everything in here. Yeah, so we have to recreate her tassel. So she gave us the tassel that we have to create, you know, with her, the kit that she provided. Oh, look at the ribbons, trims, and these are all the charms. Oh, and I love these. So cute. Super cute. And everything is wire wrap, the beads. Perfect. And look at this tiny little heart, the rose, super cute. And then of course these are the beads, and love this trim too. And then these are all the beads. Look at that. I have never seen beads like these. All the colors, so colorful. Yeah, so boy, a lot of things to reveal, right? And I always get excited every time I reveal, swaps. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this reveal. I know it looks messy, but I'm just super excited. So go ahead and follow them, and if you like this type of videos, just give me the like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Bye.